Now, reframing mental health to be local experience. It was presented by Vivo. Oh, that. Curated by Anna Van Lenten. Eyes with a show Scotch and with an agency. The word to read. Welcome to reframing mental health to be local experience. Let's go in. Department, local office, element. There's more picture of the elementary schools. Here's the kitchen of the bakery, and here's writing a diary or a journal like that. I like that taste. Cool. Church. What else we got? Oh, Sonia from Chicago, Illinois. Here's Terry visiting to the veterinarian garden and her home. Here we're in New York. Here's Iowa in the office. She has her poodle dog. She's going to the waiting room. Now for Stella from Brooklyn, New York, 20 years old. He has the vocal music, fitnesses, and then he was in Bedford Avenue subway station. Caroline from Boston, Massachusetts. Also, Tra from Houston, Texas. Oh, also Tra has his daughter, Susie, doing yoga, outdoors, her friends. That's what the reframing mental health to be local experience. The next one is the PDN30. Our choice new and emergency photographs to watch. Cole Williams playing like the one, remember the FIFA World Cup. Here's Julia Godwin with the mushroom. Now the Western cowboy, that Yo Su, that's a speaking Mandarin. Next is the Hollard plus Murray, or maybe Anne. Lemon, and then popsicle soil. Also is Gabriola, Damsel, the Independence Day American flag. Now we have Brad Akbona. Next is Ted Kavanagh. See that last name. The tomatoes is garlic, a slice of oat bread, and cheese. Now here's Daria Kobayashi Ridge. Here, and also Brian Guido. Also got Joanna Maria Frizz with the army, with the armies and soldiers in the jugglers. Where is it from? Oh, is it like Hebrew or something, or maybe like the ones from the Middle East? I thought so. Once we got Jordy Pizarro. Okay, the next is the Alina Fedorico.
Like alone in the
Okay,
woods.
Collude. Daniel Ruppy with the coffin. Here's Maggie Shannon. Has a cat.
Yeah.
Well, we done for that. Okay, they finished the rest.
That is.
Thanks to the Sony Canon Infinity printed by LTI by Sci Photographic Services. We don't know those names. Okay, but anyway, I'm going to finish the rest. But how do you mean that? That's with the P&Ds. It came from Asia, documenting China, stories of change. It was presented by the Shui Photography Festival, curated by David Burley, Yemi. So let's go to the slideshow. Like when my dad went to China, Guangzhou.
Oh wow. And that's his
That was weird. You got this fight, there's Chinese people. And they're not friendly. They don't like tourists.
Where did you take
I remember last November 2016 that I came from Guangzhou, Beijing, Shanghai, and Hong Kong, and Taishan. I'm going to finish the rest of the picture in China where usually to speak Chinese. That's in Mandarin.
this one?
So, well, I'm almost done. So he's breaking the shackles, the windmill heat. Photography by Zhao Dongqi. That's the documenting China. Sorry to change. I'm going to show you all the slideshows and all the others. Hey, you know this is the Disney version on the mini snowman, they're all off. This is the sanctuary. It was for by Israel.
Shadow.
I'm gonna finish the rest of the others while I'll be moving on to this because it's taking that long. Oh, anyway, this is self-defense. It was by Maxim. I don't know what the last name is. But that's for now. Sorry. And that's for the picture of the others. Now the next is the Latin American photographer and illustrations. It was sponsored by Epson. Assess your vision. And here's one. All those from the Epson. Here's the book. More books.
What's that?
Sitting on the wheat inside. It was artist by last days. That's her name.